Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a video to Icon using UICapture. Now the reason you'd want to do this through UICapture is that UICapture doesn't take up space on your actual Icon site. So to put it sort of simply, every single Icon site has a limited amount of storage that goes with it. Video files can obviously take up a big chunk of that. So using UICapture is a great way to share video files, especially big ones, on Icon without wasting your storage space attached to your site. Using UICapture also makes it really easy to embed your videos in various places, as I'm going to show you in a minute. But first we need to get the video file up onto Icon to begin with. So here's one of my Icon courses for this semester, and what I want to do is upload a video lecture that I made about using PowerPoint effectively so that my students can access it whenever they need. I have that video file right here that I made using Zoom actually, which you can learn how to do in another video lecture on this same YouTube channel. So to upload that video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to UICapture. I'm going to click Create, Upload New Media. I should say that you can also record directly into UICapture. I find that a little bit more difficult, so I often record using another medium that I'm more familiar with. So once this window pops up, you want to get your file and you can drag and drop it in here. You can also search the file and upload it, the way that you would, when you upload files to most other sites. Boop. All right, so now that is uploading. It should only take a minute here. I should note while we're doing this that one of the convenient things about recording in Zoom is that it downloads as an MP4 file, which is generally much more manageable than MOV files. So that's just something to keep in mind, that if you're working with an MOV, it's going to take longer to upload. You need to really check your internet connection ahead of time to make sure that the upload doesn't get interrupted, because the MOV upload will take a little bit longer. All right, and once it's done uploading, you'll see a little notice that says this upload is now complete. You can close that pop-up window that was showing just a second ago, and then it'll take another little while to finish processing and publishing and doing all that, but then you're ready to go. So once you get to this point where you see a little preview icon here and you don't see any percentages saying how much it needs left to publish or process, you are all set to go. So I'm going to show you first how to embed this video into a module, and then next how to embed it into a page. And they take slightly different steps, but they're pretty easy. So I'm going to go over to my modules. So my students are going to look at this video for our class on Wednesday. So I'm going to hit the little plus sign here. And in this drop-down menu, you're going to select External Tool, because that's technically what UICapture is in the sort of Icon ecosystem. So I'm going to scroll all the way down to UICapture. This extra pop-up window will appear, and then you should see all your videos that you've uploaded. So I'm going to select that, Insert, and then you've got to click Add Item. And then, as always with your module content, make sure that it is published, and then you can move it around as you desire to have it in your module. Right? Pretty easy. Okay, it's a very similar process to insert the video into something like a page. So if I go to my pages over here, now I'm actually going to create a new page to do this. I'm going to title it PowerPoint Hacks. All right, and I'd probably have some text up here. We can deal with that later. And then I'm going to embed this video. Now, to do that, I'm going to go over to this sort of green swirly symbol that is UICapture. Once again, a little pop-up window will appear. You can select your video, insert, and then it will embed your video into the page like so. And then I can save the page, and you'll see the video embedded there. Now, I want to say that you can also embed UICapture videos using the same steps that I just used into a discussion, instructions for an assignment, really just about anything in the sort of icon universe. You can embed a UICapture video using those steps. There's just a little bit different when you embed it in a module. So that's how you do it. Hopefully that's helpful to you. Feel free to check out our other ideal videos.